Hi everyone, my name is Piper, and today I wanted to talk about how to redirect and use redirect codes in order to help you maximize your exposure on certain websites that may block you if you are an affiliate marketer because of overusage of a URL. And so I already bought a domain and I'm ready to rock and roll. So and I went through HostGator to get my domain ready. So what I wanted to show you is most hosting websites will have a redirect section, and so I have tons of domains, so I'm going to scroll down to the one that I just got, which was piperpromisesfreedom.com. So with the redirects, I'm going to put it to the landing page that I want, or my offer. And so you can use this option for anything. If you have a website that has yourdomain.com, .net, .org, .gov, whatever it is, you can buy multiple domains, and whenever somebody hits that, this can redirect it to the right page. So, but right now I have an offer. I'm going to add that domain, and now whenever somebody clicks on Piper's Promises Freedom, it instantly goes to the offer or my landing page. And so I'm going to take this code right here and piperspromisesfreedom.com, and so I'm going to say I'm going to go to Craigslist, because I've been pretty much told that I cannot advertise on Craigslist right here because of an overusage of a URL. So what I decided to do is use a different URL. So I'm going to create a new posting. I'm ready to rock and roll. My service is offered. It's going to be under small business. And then the specific, okay, I'm just going to put this aside, and I'm going to show you the redirect codes. There's two of them, but I'm going to do part one first with Craigslist, and then part two will be different. This is the URL that I was flagged on because of overusage from affiliate marketers. So I need to delete that. And so I'm going to replace that with my URL, starting with the HTTP. That's always, that's pretty essential. And then, there you go. I'm going to repeat it down here as well. And I could take this whole entire URL code and post it onto Craigslist, but before I do, I also have an image on here that I got from PhotoBucket, and you'll see in a second what it will look like. But this is the image code that you just have to copy and paste if you wanted to add an image to your advertisement. So I'm just going to copy again. I'm going to stop using my keypad, or my touchpad, that is. And then all I have to do is paste it. Okay, so we already have the redirect code. What I noticed is that there is a glitch in the image URL, and so I just need to take that and correct it. I use PhotoBucket because it's easier to convert images on there. The only thing about that one was I had to resize it, and I deleted the larger image. Regardless, the most important part is the href and then equals with the quotations. Make sure you have your URL right there, and rel with the equal sign, quotations, no follow, and quotations, and then the brackets again. But just make sure you follow through with this, because that's going to be your redirect code. And if you'd like to insert an image, you can do that as well. And again, you can just follow what is written here and just take the in between the parentheses and just get the reference code right there, or the HTTP code. So I'm just going to hit continue. Done with images. And there you go. Now when somebody taps on that, it's going to instantly redirect you off the page. So that is your first.
This is Jeff.
This is your first step on redirection codes. The second one is for fan pages, or if you're going to be putting any kind of HTML on a page. Feel free to pause this and write this down. I can't unfortunately leave it on YouTube because it will not recognize it into the description. So pause it and copy this code so that you know what to do. Also, there you go. Try to put it together. And then what you do, we're going to go to a static HTML tab. I created this like I showed in my previous videos on how to create a fan page. I just added an additional static HTML tab. Sorry guys. Okay. Use this app, simple HTML editor, allowing you to create HTML content. Okay, so what you do is just copy where it starts with this, begin redirect and end redirect. And this time I don't have to use the Piper's Promises Freedom HTTP, but actually if you want to, you can. Whatever URL you wish, or domain you wish to enter in there, you can. Doesn't really matter. With Facebook, they're pretty laxed about it, for the exception of maybe 1 or 2 companies that they banned. Paste. Save and publish. All saved. Preview. It's going to send me off to again. And that's basically it. So the redirect codes, one is for a website or a web page, and the other one you can use for a Craigslist, or just a redirect onto any kind of posting on a social media network. So I hope that helped you, and if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment.